The International Big Cat Alliance (IBCA) is a global initiative spearheaded by India to foster collaboration for the conservation of seven major big cat species. What is the International Big Cat Alliance (IBCA) about? The International Big Cat Alliance (IBCA) is a multi-country, multi-agency coalition of 96 big cat range countries and non-range countries aimed at conserving seven big cats and their habitat. Focus species. The initiative focuses on the conservation of seven big cat species: the tiger, lions, leopards, snow leopards, cheetah, jaguar, and puma. Five of these, tiger, lion, leopard, snow leopard, and cheetah, are found in India, excluding puma and jaguar. Objectives: to prevent the illegal wildlife trade involving the seven big cat species, to promote the conservation of natural habitats for these seven big cats, to mobilize financial and technical resources to support the implementation of conservation and protection efforts. IBCA would work towards mitigating the adverse effect of climate change. It will advocate for policy initiatives that align biodiversity conservation efforts with local needs and contribute towards the attainment of United Nations mandate sustainable development goals within member countries. The theme of International Yoga Day 2025, Yoga for One Earth, One Health, captures the relationship between individual health and the health of our planet. The significance of International Yoga Day. Unity. International Yoga Day, by definition, brings people together by being an event of nationalities, cultures, and beliefs. Awareness. Greater awareness will not limited to the asana practice, includes understanding of yoga in its entirety, that is, breath, ethics, meditation. Health. International Yoga Day helps promote awareness in research, which demonstrate how yoga can condition and help manage non-communicable diseases as a preventive therapeutic modality. Importance of yoga. Yoga is much more than a form of exercise. It is a holistic system for improving overall well being, originating in ancient India over 5000 years ago. Yoga continues to be relevant today because it addresses the physical, mental, emotional, and spiritual dimensions of health. International Yoga Day 2025. Yoga is a timeless gift from India's ancient heritage to the world. It nurtures both the body and the mind, offering a path to physical vitality and inner peace. Every year on June 21, the world comes together to celebrate International Yoga Day, recognizing the profound impact of this holistic practice on global well being.